Hello women in Women Creating Healthy Lives. And if I happen to put this, my shirt, somewhere else, if you're a woman over 40, come and join my Facebook community, Women Creating Healthy Lives. That is where I post a lot of the trainings, free trainings, information about my programs, my coaching, also tips, tools, techniques for living healthy and happy over 40. Hello guys. Oh, thank you so much for the likes. Yeah, hello. I on my phone again, so if this shuts off, note that it's not my thing, my phone. I haven't been using my phone. I've been having problems with it. So let's try it, okay? I just watched a really cool video that I might post in this group, Women Creating Healthy Lives. It's one of the best. I rarely watch videos about the virus, but it was by Greg Braden. And if anybody follows Greg Braden, then you will know what he's like. He's very factual. He's very kind of like unemotional, and he tells the truth. And so it's a fantastic video. But anyways, what he said again, a truth, which I want you guys all to remember, right? I did a post. We are meant for times like this. Humans have survived sickness, elements, plagues, diseases for centuries, thousands and thousands of years, right? So our bodies are very adaptable, right? Now that doesn't mean that people are not going to die, because people will, right? The thing is, what are you doing to help your body be strong, right? Because of course, you know, us who have lived in this, who are over 50 now, know that we have gone through various things, right? And I mean, but then we go back into our regular life and we get back into the old habits and patterns and behaviors, right? So once something, like, you know, in the big AIDS epidemic, right? Everybody was scared to shake hands. Everybody was scared to go anywhere. You know, when AIDS came out, people were petrified. They didn't know how you thought you could catch it by touching someone's pencil, right? So remember that we have gone through many times like this. And each time our body adapts and changes, and it takes a little while. But the things you can do are look at you, yourself, your family, if you have kids and stuff. What can you do to build up your body, your immune system? How can you lower your stress? Because stress really does decrease your immune system and causes dis-ease within the body, right? So we need to look at your body, like your areas of life, right? My mind, body, spirit, things like that. How am I taking care of and nourishing these parts of my body? For the food stuff, of course, it's really healthy nutrients, but what about some good supplements? Like Greg Braden was saying, zinc is really important. Minerals are very important. You can pick up, I mean, super powders like chlorella, spirulina, have high amounts of minerals and trace minerals. So those are extremely good. High vitamin C, Greg Braden said too, 2,000 to 3,000 milligrams of vitamin C. Super powders like camu, baobab, and alum, I forgot the other one. They're super powders that are super high in vitamin C, and they're pure form. So you can add those to water, add those to your smoothie, add those to a green drink, right? There are things you can do. You can buy little bottles of trace minerals. It's called trace minerals. You can get them at a health food store, and you can just add drops of those into your water and sip on that throughout the day, okay? Minerals help your body be higher alkaline, and bacteria and viruses cannot grow in a high alkaline environment, okay? So you want to be really taking care of your body, decreasing your stress. So that's the mind, body, spirit connection, right? Feeling that safety, the place within you, regulating your breath, right? The inhale for 4, exhale for 6, and just keep that continuous breath for a while. And that will help calm your nervous system and decrease stress. So breath is one of the easiest things you can do for that. But I want to remind you, our bodies are meant to adapt and change and fight off illnesses and disease. We are meant for that. The thing is that many people are not treating their body good. So when you don't treat your body good for a period of time, it's like a car. It starts to break down. And then when something like this comes, any disease or illnesses or flus come into the season, our body is more susceptible for catching them, okay? You are not helpless though. The thing to remember is you are not helpless at all. You have so much power over this, so much power, right? It's truly about taking this time now to learn what you can do, Educate yourself, start taking these super powders, start taking trace minerals, start taking supplements, start decreasing stress, get lots of rest, do all those things, right? I know if you're not in the habit or pattern of doing those things, then it's like, I don't want to do it, blah, 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 right? That is showing you that because you haven't done those things, your body isn't as strong. It is time for you to really take full responsibility and start doing things that will build up your body, your immune system, decrease the stress, and really bring your body back into better balance, right? I do that in all my programs. That is why I have talked about this for years and years and years, because any imbalance and dis-ease within your body breaks down your immune system, and you are more susceptible to disease, viruses, infections, all of those things, okay? So it's a real wake-up call. It is time for you to take better care of your body. I have my new 21-day program starting, pre-work next week, then the 21 days starts Saturday, March 28th. Yes, I will be talking about foods to boost your immune system. You'll get recipes on foods that are higher alkaline, to boost your immune system, boost your energy, decrease inflammation within your body, help your body to release weight. All of that. You will learn all of that in my program. That is what I teach. I also do a lot of stress reduction. And we work at bringing in healthier foods, lifestyle practices, tools, techniques, and integrating them into your life. So it is your life, right? A healthy lifestyle means it is a lifestyle. The things you do promote health within you and your life. And that is how you live. So my programs bring that you into a healthy lifestyle. How do I design my life? How do I add this? What am I going to do? What do I decrease? What do I do? All of that. Okay. So my new 21-day program, DianaMarchand.com/shift SHIFT-2, the number 2. And there is also, hi Linda, there is also a thing in this group. It's called the Shift to the Next Level You, and that link is there. You can look at the description. So we do, in all my programs, guys, I do help your body increase your immune system, decrease your stress, decrease inflammation, boost your energy, eat the foods that are right for you, help your body to start to lose weight, right? I am all about building up your body and bringing it into better balance so that you are strong and very adaptable at times like this. And that is just the truth, right? Oh, sure, Linda, for sure. So that's what I'm saying. I have a program available right now for you to jump in on and start this process for yourself to build your body up, to thrive, to manage things, to be able to be strong and adapt and fight off things, to bring your body into better balance. If you don't take one of my programs, please start doing something for yourself, okay? This is a wake-up call. Cannot live the way we have been living. And the whole thing, I just don't have time, it's too hard, it's confusing, all that are just excuses and stories that now get to go away. You don't need to carry them any further. You don't need to have those excuses and stories. You can truly empower yourself, choose to be empowered, choose to take the action step. It's not even hard. It's just eating more of the good foods, learning how you can add these super powders and superfoods into your day, and then these simple tools, practices, stress reduction, that's totally integratable into your day in an easy way. Then your life is a healthy lifestyle. There's no more on again, off again. There's no more sabotage. There's no more emotional eating, stress eating. All of those things are caused by you fighting yourself inside. The mindset. And that's what I work on in my programs. A lot of it is the mindset, because I see over and over again that people fight themselves. They may know what to do, but they don't do it. They do really well for a while, then they sabotage, right? Something stressful in their environment happens, then they stress eat, then they emotionally eat, and then they binge, right? That is you inside here. And that's what we deal with in my programs too. Bringing the awareness, seeing the patterns that you go through and starting to break those patterns down so those things stop. And at the same time, we build the good, healthy habits to you. And you bring in those healthy habits and actions into your life right then at right that time as we're moving through the program. And you start to fully integrate into a healthier lifestyle. That's when it works. That is what works. So check out my new 21-day program, dianamarchand.com/SHIFT-2, the number 2. I'll put it on my menu bar on my website. I'm going to do that right now. It's not up right now, at dianamarchand.com. So you can also find it there. And message me if you have any questions. I also have my special still on one-on-one coaching, $200 off, and you can make payments. And also a one-time session with me for $111, and you get 1 hour to an hour and 30 minutes, somewhere in there with me, one-on-one video call. And then I also give you recipes and handouts. We really hone in on what you can do, where you need to start, and give you some actions to start right now. So that's $111. That's like super cheap. All right. Let me know if you need any guidance, help, support. I'm here for you. Post any questions in the group or under this video. All right. You guys can do it. You are made for this. You will be fine. But of course, you got to start taking care of yourself. That is the way. That is what will work. Okay. Be safe. Love you. Take care. Bye-bye.